Last night's game between the Bengals and the Chiefs, a game in which Patrick Mahomes was supposed to assert himself as one of the next great quarterbacks in the NFL, he failed to produce as the Chiefs lost the game 24-27.
What the fuck are you mother bitch? Are you mother bitch here? Raw, you dumb?
With the third straight game of the playoffs where they come up with a crucial pick.
Who are you?
And in the second game, San Francisco 49ers were butted out of the playoffs by the LA Rams 17-20.
Under pressure, Donald got there, in the air, intercepted by the Rams.
What the fuck are you mother bitch? You dumb?
As the 49ers prepare for next season, the fans have this one question concerning Garoppolo.
Why? Raw, you dumb? Can you spell the name for me? Can you spell the name? How you spell? Who are you?
The Kansas City Chiefs chose to run the ball on first downs instead of passing. And the fans want to ask and to read this one question.
Who are you? Are you mother bitch here? Raw, you dumb?
It was a devastating loss for 49ers and Chiefs fans, but the fans must always remember that there's always next year. And remember, it is only a game.